Hitting the ground with our feet running, people. Hey son, we're heading up to the rally Scrutineering for this weekend's Speyside rally. But we've got to ditch the car and pick up the bike, haven't we? But we'll just do that on the way. And of course, every time, look, every time, right, always right where I need to park, isn't it? Or it's where we need to move, look. It's parked in the high street now, we're just waiting for cars to come. Oh yes. Look at it. That is beautiful. Ford Anglia. Now they're going. Oh, nice. Checking the cars up to scratch. Oh yeah, a lovely noise, isn't it? The Fiesta. That's the same as Mike's Subaru, that bubble bonnet one, yeah. Out it goes. Absolutely superb. Oh, it's very nice. Oh, of course, helmets check and their safety equipment, the fireproof suits, it's all got to be regulation, you see. Nice and safe. Not easy to see the reversing back. Just coming in, look. Oh, they're stacking them up now, look. Oh yes, oh yes. And they're starting to come in now, look. What is that, Honda Civic? There's a few new cars here this year. No, that's not a Honda Civic, I don't know. It's an MG, it's hard to tell from here. Oh yeah! We'll have to get over there as well, eh? Very nice. There we go. Yeah, looks empty. It's loud, isn't it? The Peugeot. Yeah, we've got a lovely sunny day today. Here we go, what have we got? Oh, very nice. What's Bogey? Danny and Pinky. There we go, boyo. That's him heading down. Oh, now what we're getting? What we're getting? Can't even see it coming in. What is it? A Fiesta. Is it? Oh, listen to that. That's fantastic. Nice and close. Oh yeah! That is a loud one. One of my favourites, guys. One of my favourites, look. Oh yeah. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Evo power now, people. Yeah, I see him every year actually. And there's a drift car, you guys. Sunbeam. Absolutely awesome. Oh yeah, so much fun. So we're just circling back round, aren't we, son? Just circling back round the other side of the St Giles Church there. We're around the other side. So we're back round 1, 2, Sunbeam's over there. That's a nice livery on that car, look at the yellow. Very cool. Very nice. Don't like plain, do we? No plain. That's a few of them moving out now. Oh yeah, I'm liking the Fiesta, son. There's the BMW going. Look, you see him every year actually as well. Very nice, son. Look there. That sounds good, doesn't it? Over there, looks at. Yes, serious. Lovely. Not a rally car, but still very, very nice indeed. Like our Focuses, don't we, son? Aye, the older style ones, yeah. But hey ho, back to our own little monster. Fireboy doesn't sound bad, does it, son? Let him warm up though. Just like me. Wondering why there's loads of tadpoles down in the bottom, obviously, but there's not as many as what there was, you know, when we first got them. And apparently they eat each other. That we didn't know. Oh, just the last few. Yeah. Oh yeah. Just up on the bike. They must just be the last of them. I don't know why the fire brigade's there. Very bizarre. Yeah, so just looks there's a few cars still there, but not many. And as always, we're up seeing the man, aren't we? He's looking like a happy chap tonight, aren't you?
The other part, you might think he's upset with us, but that's just how he relaxes.
Oh yeah! See if we can spot him tomorrow, number 79. Just getting some behind the scenes, Emily. Yeah, all these guys have been staying in hotels tonight. We've obviously got this area allocated for the cars to stay overnight. Right? Yes, and no hanging about today, son. Oh, listen. look right through. No, it's Mark There's our EDM again. Mike, got him. Oh, nice. I wonder if that's his first time round or second. Oh, he's hiking. Over there. Oh, someone's not right there. No, someone's not right there. So there's that girl. Front wheel drive. Oh no. You hear it? These cylinders. Up we go. watching, you see. He'll be in third gear before he gets to that corner, probably. Looks like his first gear. He goes into third, or he's going into second, let's see. One, two. Black Motorsport guys. A lot of these guys are going to need twice. Mazda 323, I think. Mazda 323 that is. Oh, here comes Noisy again, look. Sounds great though, doesn't it? Sounds great. Oh, I'd love to take you around that area. I couldn't corner as quickly as those guys, obviously, but you know. Flat out power, yeah. Yeah, so that's the end of the stage that guys are coming there. Look, there's the start finish we're across at, but they really are starting to move out to the next stage now. A few of these guys seem to have went around like 3 or 4 times actually. Scary nice, you guys. Scary nice. Look at that. This guy always has really great vehicles in, you know, just a bit more sort of high end. Eh? Not a beautiful, it's like a real matte or satin actually, that looks that colour. Oh yeah!